How to change phone number on Facebook. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to change your phone number on Facebook step by step. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Facebook app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, simply tap on the three dash icon which can be seen in the top right corner of the screen. And now here, once you are in the menu section, just tap on the gear icon which can be seen in the top right side of the screen. And now from here, you simply have to tap on the option labeled See More in Account Center. And here, once you are in the Account Center, simply scroll down and tap on Personal Details. And inside the personal details, you simply have to select Contact Info. And now here, if you want to add a new number, then you simply have to tap on Add Phone Number and enter your new number. But here, if you want to remove the old number, simply select your phone number and here you simply have to tap on Delete Number. And here, once you do that, the number will be deleted. And now here, if you want to change your phone number, then you simply have to tap on add new contact. And now here, you simply have to add your new mobile number. And once you're done with it, you simply have to tap on next. And after that, your new number will be automatically linked to your Facebook account. And that's it. That's how you can change or update your phone number on Facebook quickly. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.